Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Almond Vosotros, and Coach Chot Reyes of TNT. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach, you are now on a 5-game winning streak. What was the conversation like, or any occurrence that happened after losing 3 straight that sparked the switch in the way the team's playing?
I think the big key was the realization that we, like I've mentioned this already before, that we are not the old talk and text team. We cannot play like the old TNT team when we had Ronde and Jason. So I think that awareness and the acceptance of that reality was the turning point. And when we figured that out and we accepted that, then we had to make some changes in our approach, in our defense, in our offense. What you see now is, I think, the result of that.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Almond, welcome back to a 5-on-5. But even if wala ka sa lineup, you're always in the team practices. You are updated when it comes to what the team is doing. Yes. And today you showed that you are ready once your jersey is called.
Siguro unang-una, thank you ako sa opportunity. Opportunity is still opportunity. Like, thank you ako kay Coach Shot, sa lahat ng coaching staff na mabigyan uli ako ng second chance.
Can I say something?
Yes, Coach.
Meron na siyang vacation to Japan. Binabili na yung ticket, nabook na lahat ng hotel with his whole family, his wife and his 2 kids. And he gave that up. Kinancel na yun just to have this opportunity, si Almond. So, this is really a big sacrifice for him, and we're very thankful. And we knew that we would need him here because we've lost Jello Rason due to appendicitis. So he underwent surgery last week. And naubos na yung mga point guard namin. Wala na Jason, walang Ray ng Batak, wala pang Jello Rason. We figured that Almond could be a big help, so we're very thankful for him.